In this video, we're going to figure out what fraction is exactly halfway between 1/8 and 1/3. So we're looking for the midpoint here. You could just take and add 1/8 and 1/2 together and then divide by 2. I find it's a little bit easier for me to get the denominator to be the same and then compare the numerators. So let's do it that way. I could, to get these the same here, I could say 8 times 3, that's 24, and 3 times 8, that's 24. So that would work. But I also have to multiply the numerator here. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 1. That's because 3 over 3, it's just 1. And over here, 8 over 8. So I'm not really changing the fractions, just the way they're written. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Over here, I have 8 24ths. So now I have that same denominator here. I'm just going to compare the numerators. So I want to know what numbers between 3 and 8. So I could just say 3 plus 8 and then divide that by 2. That would tell me what's halfway between. So 3 plus 8 is 11 over 2. That equals 5.5. So the fraction halfway between 3 24ths and 8 24ths is 5.5 24ths. Kind of don't like having the decimal there, so I'm going to double the numerator and the denominator. 2 times 5.5 is 11. 2 times 24 is 48. So the fraction, exactly halfway between 1/8 and 1/3, that is 11/48. And if you just added 1/8 plus 1/3 and divided by 2, you'd get the same answer. Probably a little more work, pretty close though. That's it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.